Hello, my name is Webster West, and I'm the developer of StatCrunch. This tutorial will cover how to do a one-sample t hypothesis test and a one-sample t confidence interval using the software. The dataset I'll be using contains a variety of information for a sample of 4-bedroom homes for sale in the Bryan-College Station, Texas area. The two columns I want to focus on in this tutorial are the square footage column and the location column. You'll notice that we have 15 homes in our sample from Bryan, Texas, and 15 homes in our sample located in College Station, Texas. The question I'd like to address in this tutorial is, can we conclude that the average square footage of 4-bedroom homes for sale in College Station, Texas is greater than 2,000? To answer this question, we'll go to the Stat menu, choose T-Statistics, one sample with data. We choose the with summary option if we had the sample mean and sample standard deviation of the square footages, but in this case we have the raw data. So our samples are located in the square footage column, so I'll select that. And we want to look at those square footages where location is College Station, Texas. If we wanted to use all the values in the square footage column, then we would not use a where expression. Clicking Next, we see the hypothesis test option is turned on by default. The null mean in this case would be 2,000, and the alternative would be greater than. We want to know if the average square footage of 4-bedroom homes for sale in College Station, Texas is greater than 2,000 square feet. Now we click Calculate. We would focus in here on the p-value in our output. The p-value is 0.0011, a very small p-value, certainly smaller than any standard level of significance that one might use, 0.05 or 0.01. So in this case, we would reject the null in favor of the alternative, and we would conclude that the average square footage of 4-bedroom homes for sale in College Station, Texas is larger than 2,000 square feet. Now, if we would prefer a confidence interval in this situation, we'll go to the Options menu and choose Edit. Now we'll turn on the confidence interval option. 0.95 for level will provide a 95% confidence interval by default. Let's click Calculate. We see our lower limit here is 2,322 roughly, and the upper limit is 3,179. So in this case, we would say that we are 95% confident that the average square footage of 4-bedroom homes for sale in College Station, Texas is between 2,322 and 3,179 roughly. So certainly the value of 2,000 is not inside that confidence interval. It's not among the range of likely values for the average square footage of these homes. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful.